taon. 12 nakamamanghang storya ng buhay, bunga ng pananampalataya. Halina't ating kilalanin at tuklasin kung paano pinatibay, pinatatag at binago ng Diyos ang kanilang mga buhay.
Kasi kami ni Jake, pareho kaming galing sa unfaithful relationships.
Nagpalit kami after 5 long years of relationship back in the Philippines.
Sakit, diba? Yung akala mong siya na, pero hindi pala. Yung kahit kasama mo na sa application sa Canada, hindi pa rin pala. But God is good. He allowed us to be broken.
To be made whole again in Him.
Dinala niya kami dito sa Canada kasi may iba pala siyang plano para sa amin.
Kaming dalawa pala ang tumihana sa isa't isa.
We started dating in 2016. Since taga Vancouver ako, si Jake, magdadrive lang ng 14 hours para lang makita ako. Ang haba ng buhok ko, di ba? But then, God has been so gracious to us with His provision, protection, and strength.
With God's grace, back in 2020, we got married, and since then, God has been our firm foundation.
Kinasal kami before nagkagulang mundo sa pandemic na yan. So that was a favor from the Lord. Sabi nga sa Ecclesiastes chapter 4 verse 12, a strand of 3 cords is not easily broken. May mga pinagdadaanan man as married couple, since 3 kami, hindi kami basta-basta matitibag. God has been the 3rd person in our family, and I can't even imagine raising our beautiful kids without Him.
God be the glory.
Purihin ang Panginoon.
Hello, I'm Daniela Nocon. Bago lang po ako dito sa Cornerstone. So, noong last November 23, so ako'y nagpapasalamat na nung ako'y nandito ay wala akong kakilala. At naghanap po ako ng church dito at ito po ay nakikita po sa Google Map. Bilang isang Kristiyano, yung dati mong gawa ay hinahanap-hanap mo yung paglilingkod mo sa Lord. So, ako'y nagagalak sa mga kapatid dito sa Cornerstone na nung ako'y nung ako'y pumasok dito, i-welcome nila ako, yung nagagalak ako sa kanila dahil nandyan yung kanilang mga unity, nandyan yung kanilang pagmamahal. So, bilang isang Kristiyano, ako po ay patunay na nag-aaral ngayon sa School of Ministry na tunay na napakabuti ang Lord sa aking buhay dahil hindi niya ako pinababayaan. Encourage ko po ang lahat na mag-School of Ministry upang tayo ay mailaganap ang kanyang salita at tayo ay makaka-receive pa ng bagong kaluluwa. Yun lang po. Happy and blessed 12 years anniversary Cornerstone family.
Looking back 4 years ago, I can clearly see God's fingerprints all over my journey here in Canada. I had this desire in my heart to come to Canada, and ginamit ng Lord ang tita ko to invite me as an international student. And yes, I started with a student visa, and at that time, that dream felt impossible. God provided everything I needed to, and all the provision for me to come here. I was surprised by how life in Canada really is. Maraming bago, maraming adjustments, maraming kailangan matutunan. But through it all, God was there. And after 7 months, the Lord showed His favor again and directed me to change my status to work permit. Throughout my journey, God used different people to guide me and to help me to get to where I am right now. The government of Canada and this world can full of uncertainty, but God is always faithful and just. His word says, that He will never leave us nor forsake us. And I truly experienced that in my life. Walang pangamba, binigyan niya ako ng kapayapaan. Dahil tunay siyang tapat and He answered the desire of my heart and allowed me to become a permanent resident of Canada. Today, I know that everything that happened in my journey was not just a coincidence o swerte lamang. It was God's grace, guidance, and faithfulness every step of the way.